Welcome to our guide on types of algorithmic trading strategies. In this video, we'll explore 15 algorithmic trading strategies used by traders and investors to automate their trading decisions. These powerful trading strategies could help you revolutionize your trading game. Let's jump right in. The first algo trading strategy on our list is pairs trading. Pairs trading strategy involves trading two correlated instruments simultaneously, taking advantage of deviations from their historical relationship. Traders using a pairs trading strategy go long on one instrument and short on the other, expecting the historical correlation to resume. An example of a pairs trading strategy is the distance-based approach, which compares the distance between the prices of two assets. The next strategy is scalping. Scalping involves making numerous small trades to capture small price differentials within a short period. Scalpers aim to profit from small price fluctuations and typically hold positions for a few seconds to minutes. An example of a scalping strategy is tape reading, where traders analyze the order flow and timing of trades to identify short-term opportunities. Smart order routing trading strategy. This strategy divides orders into smaller ones and then implements them over the best available prices on different exchanges. An example here can be adaptive smart order routing, where this strategy dynamically adjusts the routing of orders based on real-time market conditions and liquidity. Market making trading strategy. This strategy buys and sells securities to provide liquidity in the market. Statistical arbitrage market making strategy utilizes statistical models and algorithmic trading to identify price discrepancies between correlated securities and profit from short-term market inefficiencies. Momentum strategy. This strategy capitalizes on the continuation of existing trends in prices. Traders employing momentum strategies aim to ride strong price movements in a particular direction. An example of a momentum strategy is the Relative Strength Index, RSI, which measures the speed and change of price movements. Another examples can be trend following strategy, which is covered in our other video. Do check out the link in the description. Time-weighted average price trading strategy. The TWAP strategy splits trades equally across the time period, regardless of the volume traded. An example can be the arrival price TWAP, which focuses on achieving the arrival price, which is the average execution price from the start of the order to its completion. Volume-weighted average price trading. The VWAP trading strategy splits orders up into smaller ones and executes them throughout the day at the volume-weighted average price. The implementation shortfall VWAP strategy aims to achieve an average execution price close to the VWAP over a specified time horizon. It takes into account historical volume profiles and market impact considerations to optimize order execution. The seasonality trading strategy. The seasonality trading strategy identifies recurring patterns in market behavior based on the time of the year, month, or even specific days of the week. Here, an example of seasonality trading strategy can be calendar spread strategy, which involves taking positions in different futures contracts or options with different expiration dates to capitalize on seasonal patterns and price movements associated with specific time periods. The volatility trading strategy. The volatility trading strategy focuses on profiting from changes in volatility levels. Traders employing volatility trading strategies use options, futures, or other derivatives to take positions based on their expectations of future volatility. An example of a volatility trading strategy is the volatility breakout, which aims to capture large price moves following periods of low volatility. Machine learning-based strategy. Machine learning-based strategy includes strategies that leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and make trading decisions. Machine learning algorithms can identify complex patterns and relationships that humans may not be able to detect. Examples of machine learning-based strategies include neural networks, random forests, and support vector machines. So far, which of the following algo trading strategies did you find the most effective? Let us know in the comments below. Now let's check out some uncommon algorithmic trading strategies that are lesser known but can be highly effective. Pattern recognition strategy. This strategy utilizes advanced pattern recognition techniques to identify and exploit repetitive chart patterns, such as triangles, head and shoulders, or flags. Sentiment analysis trading strategy. This strategy uses natural language processing and machine learning techniques to analyze social media and news to identify market sentiment. Deep reinforcement learning strategy. This strategy leverages deep learning and reinforcement learning algorithms to train agents that learn and adapt to market conditions through trial and error. Adaptive strategies. These strategies dynamically adjust their parameters or rules based on current market conditions. Adaptive strategies aim to adapt to changing market dynamics and improve performance. Genetic algorithms strategy. Genetic algorithms strategy uses genetic programming techniques to evolve trading strategies over time. Genetic algorithms apply principles inspired by biological evolution, such as mutation and crossover, to optimize trading strategies. Traders using genetic algorithms aim to discover robust and adaptive strategies. Algorithmic trading strategies offer an array of possibilities to maximize your trading potential. From pairs trading to statistical arbitrage, and momentum trading to machine learning-based approaches, these strategies can help you seize opportunities and manage risk more effectively. However, choosing the right strategy is critical. We suggest doing extensive research to determine which one suits you the best. So now, why wait? Start exploring these strategies and unleash your trading prowess today. If you found this video insightful and want to delve deeper into the world of algorithmic trading, head on over to our website to learn more about our courses or get in touch with a course counselor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for future videos that will enhance your trading knowledge.